Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So as you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. I suggest to use an old toothbrush. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. So insert the one part of the brush in your port and just pry the dirt out. And that's all. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.